What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you read the title, you already know what this video is going to be about. If you want to see me install this beautiful red wig, I don't know if y'all can see the back, but it's so pretty. I'm going to insert pictures. I really love this wig. This was actually a wig that I revamped. I dyed it red, and so I dyed it red. So this is the second time I dyed it, and this is actually a body wave wig that I flat ironed bone straight. And as you can see, it's so silky and smooth, and you can run your hands through it. And I'm also going to try to post. I want to take pictures first, but I also want to wet it again so I can show y'all that it's body wave and that it actually does go back to the hair texture of body wave after flat ironed and being colored multiple times. So if you want to see me install this wig, keep watching. And also, as always, thank you for supporting me and watching my videos. And comment down below what else you want to see. If you want to see more hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, or just travel vlogs. Hey y'all, so this is basically how the wig looks before I try it on. And so the first thing you're going to do is pretty much just try the wig on. And you're going to make sure that you're placing it where you want the wig to lay on your head. Okay, so once you get the wig placed on your head, you're going to go in, and I'm using Erica J's Hold Me Down adhesive. You're going to go in with your hair glue, and you're just going to apply some to your forehead, and then you're going to spread it out evenly so that it can dry evenly. So I usually do one side at a time so that while I'm applying it to the other side, I'm letting the first side dry. So that's what I'm doing now. Now I'm applying it to the other side of my head. And you're going to allow the glue to dry clear. As you can see, it's not all the way clear. So I'm going to go in with my blow dryer just because I don't have a lot of time and I'm kind of rushing. So you can use your blow dryer on low, and then you're going to apply 2 to 3 more layers depending on how long you want your wig to last. I think I applied just 1 more layer because I don't plan on having this wig on for too long. But as you can see the glue dry.
And it's clear for the most part. I probably should let it dry a little bit longer. So I'm going to let it dry for like 5 minutes.
Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my comb, whatever comb of your choice. And you're just going to take your wig and you're going to place it onto that glue, but you're going to use your comb to like comb it in. So as you see me doing right now. Now I'm going to go back in to where the wig is not glued down all the way, because maybe glue is not in those areas, and I'm just going to place glue in those areas, and then I am going to place my wig down using the comb. So I'll show you how to do that here. So now I'm going in and I'm just going to section off my baby hairs where I want them to fall. And I'm going to hot comb everything back and hot comb my baby hairs to the front. And I'm going to use my Got To Be glue spray to just spray the lace down, just to give it that extra melt once I place that elastic band. So I am going to use my blow dryer on low just to make sure that it dries before I put my elastic band on there, because it's easier. The elastic band won't pull up your wig. So make sure it's dry before you place your elastic band on there. And then I'm going to go in with my elastic band.
Okay, so you're going to let this sit for about 15 minutes, and while you're doing that, you could prep your hair, flat iron it, whatever. So that's what I'm doing. It's pretty much bone straight and flowy, but I'm just gonna hit it one more time with the flat iron just because I haven't done it in a while. And y'all, this is some body wave hair, and look how straight it is. Like, yes. After I get done with this style, I'm gonna wet it in the shower just so y'all can see it go back to its natural state. But This is some body wave hair and it's giving a bone straight. You can also put the blow dryer on high and put it on the elastic just to give it an extra minute.
Okay, so I'm really only going to do baby hairs on this side because the other side is going to be a swoop. And as you can see, I tried the heart effect. Again, y'all, I'm trying, so please just bear with me because, yeah, I'm not a professional. So, yeah, what I'm doing now is I'm going to just go in and cut my baby hairs to the length that I want them. And I'm going in with my wax stick. This is also from Erica J. And I'm just using it to help keep the hairs back away from what I'm using for my baby hairs. And I'm going to go in with this small flat iron and curl the baby hairs upward. This is going to help me when styling the baby hairs. So I'll go in with some gel. You don't have to use this gel. Any gel, Eco Styler works as well. And it's probably best. And then I'm going to use some mousse. This is also from Erica J. And I'm going to use that to help me style my baby hairs. Okay, so now I'm going in with my high comb just to like high comb down the section that's gonna be for my swoop. And so you're gonna watch what I do and comb it out and kind of like create this swoop. I realized that if I were to use some got to be glue spray or something like that, probably would have lasted longer, but I really didn't want it to last too long or be too stiff, so I didn't use it. But yeah, now I'm working on the last steps, which are adding makeup to the part. And so as you can see, I'm just gonna go in and add
I'm about to put this elastic band on. So I'm gonna come back with the final look and pictures, and so yeah.